Hello everyone, today we're checking out the SOUOA Cordless Heated Electric Lunchbox, a portable battery-powered food warmer you can use at work, on the road, or anywhere you don't have access to a microwave. This was sent to me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. So first, inside the box, you get the lunchbox carrying bag, which makes it easy to bring your meal anywhere. Next is your lunchbox itself, and on the back you will see the USB-C charging port for fast charging. Then you have the user manual, which explains all the modes and settings. You also get a power adapter and USB-C cable for charging. And inside the box, they include a fork and spoon, which is really nice. And lastly, there's an optional divider you can use to separate your food. Now let's take a look at the buttons. Here is the power button that will turn the unit on and off. Here's the mode button that switches between keep warm, heating, and timer mode. These two are the adjustment buttons for your time and temperature. Now this lunchbox has a 100 watts heating system, a 6.3 cup capacity, and a cordless design so you can heat your food anywhere. For the test, I added rice and refrigerated meatballs, set the timer to 25 minutes, and set it to max temperature. After 15 minutes, the rice and meatballs went from cold and firm to soft, hot, and ready to eat. My wife loves timer mode because she can set it before work and her food is hot exactly when she takes her break. And for us, it's perfect for road trips too. To set the clock, long press the OK button and the clock will flash. Use the up and down buttons to adjust the time, then press OK to confirm. Pressing OK 3 times switches between Fahrenheit and Celsius. To select warm mode, heating mode, or timer mode, short press the mode or gear button to cycle in each mode. You'll see the icon change on the display each time you press the button. In warm mode, this keeps your food warm for up to 2 hours, then automatically shuts off. No time or temperature settings are required here, it simply maintains warmth. To switch to heating mode, press the mode gear button twice to enter heating mode. Now you can set both the heating time and the temperature. The heating time area will blink, then use the up and down buttons to choose your time. After selecting your time, press OK to confirm. After confirming the time, you can set the temperature and press the up and down buttons to choose your temperature. You can set it to default 212 degrees Fahrenheit or you can lower the temperature. After selecting the temperature, you can press OK to confirm. After pressing the confirm, heating will begin automatically. When it finishes, the lunchbox switches to warm mode and keeps your food warm. If you don't press anything for 10 seconds, it will start heating with the default settings, 212 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. To enter timer mode, press the mode or gear button 3 times. The timer will blink. Use the up and down buttons to set the time you want heating to begin. Press OK to confirm. Next, the heating time area will blink. Choose how long you want it to heat. Same options as heating mode. Press OK to confirm. Finally, the temperature area will blink. Choose your temperature, then press OK to confirm. The lunchbox will wait until your scheduled time, then automatically start heating. Overall, this lunchbox has been a huge help for my wife. She sets the timer before her shift, and by the time she takes her lunch, her food is already warm and ready. There's no microwave needed. It's simple, convenient, and it makes your break so much easier. If you want to check this out, link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.